Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I get a lot of people asking the same question, which I will answer in this video. I don't see it. Apparently it's out, it's been out, and I don't see it. Is this normal or not? It is. Microsoft is sending this to apparently a small subset of users. So a small, what does small mean? I don't know, but what it means is that a lot of you are not seeing it yet. That is totally normal. And if you want Windows 11 from the Windows updates, just wait for it to appear at some point. Once again, unless you know what you're doing, and I do not recommend that you go and download the tools and install it or force install Windows 11. I always say it with Windows 10. If you don't see it in Windows Update, if you don't see that latest version, that's because probably something's either not right or you're not chosen yet to have it. And that's fine. Don't rush anything, especially with installs of, a big operating system. So if you don't see it, it's completely normal for everybody that doesn't see it, even if your computer is compatible. And if you don't see it, it will appear at some point. There could be other things that is preventing Windows 11 from updating because of what you have installed also. That's also a possibility. So just wait, and at some point, one day you'll boot up your PC and you'll see that it's there. Just don't rush things. And if you really, really want it for officially, well, you can go to the Microsoft download page and get it. I posted the video yesterday on how to get there. So just, don't go crazy. There's no problem there if you don't see it appear here. Another question that I see from some viewers is I don't know what to do. My the app to check if compatibility check kind of says that I'm not ready for Windows 11, but it seems that it says I'm ready in my Windows updates. If you are ready, you'll see an optional download and update. If you're not seeing it, or if it's not telling you it's ready, or you can't get it, it's going to tell you. If it tells you it's okay on your Windows updates, it's okay. That's all you need to know. For the rollout, the size of Windows 11, well, it's from Windows 10 to Windows 11. It's one of the big installs of feature update a little bit, so it's several gigabytes. The download from the media creation tool is probably 4 to 5 gigabytes, somewhere in there. So you can, of course, download the copy from the Microsoft download page. Keep yourself a copy also of the image. Very important. Put it on a USB thumb drive. In case something goes wrong, you can always refer to it later. And remember, you've got 10 days to roll back if you don't like it or if it doesn't work well. So, and your Windows updates and the recovery options. There is a option. Once you're in here and you go to settings and you go to Windows updates, one of the options that you'll have is in the advanced options. You'll have a recovery option here, and go back will be there. Go back will be available for 10 days. So you'll have 10 days to test out, and if you don't like it, you click go back. It's going to bring you back to your Windows 10 operating system that you have. So that's important. We will have several videos talking in details of every little thing to talk about, every little feature, so that you know how to use it and where things are if you can't find them. There are some things that are not as placed in the same way, let's say it, so not as easy to find sometimes or to go through. So that's pretty much it. And once again, you don't see it, doesn't matter. You know what? You'll get it when it's there at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.